welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some loaded potato casserole. This is perfect for the holidays, so let's get started. Here I have some red skin potatoes and I'll be using one Caribbean sweet potato. I like adding the sweet potato in there because it adds a tad bit of sweetness and it balances all the flavors out really well. It's lovely in there. You have to try it. Here I have some Colby and Jack cheese, sharp cheddar, some gouda, and I'll be using some onions, bell peppers. I have some half and half milk and cream. I have some bacon as well as sour cream, butter, some minced garlic. I have black pepper, seasoned salt, complete seasoning. Now the first thing you want to do is boil your potatoes. I did cut mine into dice sizes and I will add some salt and some chicken bouillon to that. We will give it a stir and allow it to boil until nice and tender. Next, we'll go ahead and cook our bacon using a skillet. Usually I would use my air fryer for this, but I wanted to use some of the bacon grease to cook my aromatics because it brings great flavor to the dish and it's just perfect. Once the bacon is cooked to your liking, you'll remove it and then we'll carry on with the next step, which is, cooking our aromatics. Now I did lose the clip when I was actually adding the bell peppers, onions and garlic, but I just added them in and season them with the seasonings, mix well and allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Once the potatoes are done, you want to go in while they're hot and add your butter. We'll add the sour cream. We'll also add our aromatics. Then we'll add some of that half and half. If you want to add just heavy cream or milk alone, you can do that. We will also add our cheese. We'll add some of our bacon. You want to save some of that bacon for the topping, but we'll add some in. And once all the ingredients are nicely combined, we'll go ahead and transfer it to our baking dish. Once you place your potatoes into your baking dish, you'll top it off with a generous amount of cheese, some more of that bacon, and some fresh parsley. We'll place this in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Once your cheese is nicely melted, that's it, your casserole is done. This is just the perfect side dish. It's just something different from the boring mashed potatoes that you have every year. It has all that yummy stuff in there and your entire family will enjoy. After about 15 minutes, this is what your potato casserole should look like. But you want to allow it to cool down for about 10-15 minutes before digging in. You don't want a soupy, runny mess. Once you dig in, this is what it should look like. I did serve this up with some barbecue baked beans, roasted lamb and stir-fried vegetables, and it was a hit. My entire family enjoyed it. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.